What's up YouTube, it's your boy Gil Project, back once again live and direct for another little tool review thing for you. So today I have a snap-on manual ranging multimeter. Before we get started, you get the multimeter, comes with the probes, and also comes with this handy little pouch. I don't keep it in this pouch, but in case you're sort of taking it around with you, private jobs, etc, etc. A few features here. On button. I think it comes with batteries. You put the batteries in the back there, so you don't necessarily need it connected up to the battery for it to power up. Go through the ranges. It's got ohms, DCAs, ACAs, DCPs. So you just select what you want. I'm sure all of you that want to be watching this know how to use a multimeter. Pretty similar to every other multimeter out there really. So you just plug it into the different things depending on what you're testing. And you have your probes. I think it comes with a little stand. There you go, so you can stand it up like so. So you can sort of stand it up in an engine bay as you're working away, probing stuff. Relatively cheap, it was about 60 quid. I think it's a rebranded product. Snap-on have rebranded. I'm not sure who makes these originally, but I doubt it's Snap-on. In fact, I know it's rebranded because my Snap-on dealer told me it was, but you know, I needed one, so I bought it. So there it is, a Snap-on manual ranging multimeter. £60. Thanks for watching as always. Please share, like, subscribe. GP out.